Hey y'all, so today I'm gonna be making this really simple peppermint scented lip gloss. The only ingredients I'm gonna be using is this baby oil gel. Make sure you get the actual gel and not the oil itself, and coconut oil. You really do not need to use the coconut oil. I'm just gonna add it because I like using it externally. If you want, you can just simply use the baby oil gel. Also, this is the peppermint oil I'll be using. Go ahead and add any essential oil that you like. Also, I'm going to be adding these butterflies to the lip gloss. And last, make sure you have your tubes and the syringe that you're going to be using. Alright, so first I'm going to go in with the baby oil gel. I'm not going to do like any type of measurements. I'm just going to pour it in here. I just want to make sure I pour enough to fill the bottles I have. Then I'm going to go in with the coconut oil. Not too much. I'm not going to microwave it at all. I don't feel like this needs to be microwaved. In my other lip gloss video I made, I did microwave it. That's because I use Vaseline. But this time I'm just going to put it straight in the bottles. Add the peppermint oil. So I'm just going to do a couple or a few drops. When it comes to the scents, I just smell it to see if it's enough. One thing about peppermint oil, make sure you don't do too much because it does give you a nice tingly feeling, but you don't want your lips feeling spicy. Oh, and let me not forget to add these butterflies because I almost forgot to add this too. Alright, this is what the first one is looking like so far. Alright, so here they all are. Now I'm about to put the caps on. Just pop them on like that. It's really easy to put on. Alright y'all, so this is what it's looking like, all done. I think it looks really cute, especially with the butterflies being in there, and it has a really peppermint smell. Gonna have your lips feeling all refreshed and minty. Also real quick, if there's like a slight tint and color in your lip gloss, it's because of the essential oil. So the peppermint oil did add like a slight tint to it, but I mean it's still clear, so don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. That's splat. That's that splat right there.
Your lips still gonna be feeling refreshed and minty. Okay. Look at that. Once again, y'all, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe if this video helped you. And I'll make sure to link everything I use in the description box, so check that out.